Hi, this is my Lego Puzzle Box version 2. I'll give you a 360 view. Okay, so you can't shake any of these compartments out. So now I'll solve it. First, what you do is you slide this, tilt it, a peg comes out. Now you take this peg, you try in this hole. Nothing happens. If you take the peg, try it in this hole, still nothing happens. So you put the peg in this hole, and this pops out. Take it, and you get this red thing, an axle. You try it in this hole, nothing happens. On that side. So you just try to put it in this hole. This pops out. Take it, and you get this axle here. Now, you stick this axle in the only hole left, and this pops out right here. Take that out, and you get an M&M. Yum. Bye.